Hey everyone, today I want to show you 5 cool domino buildings that you can make on your own. The first type is the Sony mode. The Sony mode is a cool domino row. It's also very easy to build and looks fantastic when you start it. The second type of building, or not really a building, is a domino field. This is a very easy domino field, but you can make a large one. And here you see the mechanism to start everything. So now let's take a look. The third is a bridge. Now, this is a little bit of a weird one because the bridge is made so that the dominoes can fall through other dominoes, like this. You got to be careful when you make the bridge, but it looks very cool. The fourth type is the domino pyramid. The domino pyramid I made is in 3D. You build it with a row of dominoes like you can see here. Now what I'm doing is I'm building another row on the second floor. Now the third floor, the fourth floor, and the last floor, or the tip. Here goes. The last type is a 2D pyramid. The structure of it is kind of similar as the 3D pyramid, but instead it's like this. I've done a video on it before, so go to my channel to see that. This row is repetitive as you saw in the previous pyramid. Now the falling. Hopefully this video was helpful. Thanks for watching.